Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to extract an Outlook email into your Monday board using the Extract AI app. The first thing you need to do is go to the Extract AI app. You'll need to create a new AI block and give it a name. Select Outlook, and from here, simply connect your Outlook account. You will just need to sign in with your email and password. Once verified, click Continue. You will see your account listed here. Ensure it is selected with the check mark on the side. Then, select the specific group on your board where you want the emails to arrive and click Next. Now, choose the data to extract. I'll select the email address, sender name, and file column. These are the details I want to extract for this example, but you can select additional fields or add custom ones. When you're ready, click the Create AI Block button and then click Done. Now you are all set. You don't need to create any standard Monday Outlook automations. Now, let's go back to the board and send a test email. I will use the main account I just connected. Here is the email with a file attached. I'll hit Send, go back to the board, and wait a few moments for it to arrive. After about a minute, my email has arrived on the board. As you can see, the sender name, email, and file columns have all been successfully extracted. Thanks for watching.